Have you been looking all over for that perfect place to call home or invest into? Well, look no further but at this top floor corner unit with stunning views at the elements at McConachie in northeast Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. It's extremely affordable, quiet complex in a great location. This original owner condo has been immaculately clean and kept and is beautifully maintained. The stylish kitchen is equipped with rich dark maple cabinetry, luxurious granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar and a dedicated dining area. There is abundant windows which fill the space with natural light, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The primary bedroom is spacious and also has a walk-through closet, as well as a 4-piece ensuite with a soaker bathtub. The vanity even has the granite countertops followed through, as well as the maple cabinetry. So everything is stylish and well maintained. The second bedroom is also airy and spacious and bright. This property features 2 heated underground parking stalls with 2 storage units, in-suite laundry, and also the comfort of central air conditioning. Moving on outside, there is beautiful view, a covered patio. It's private and it is east facing. The exterior on this complex has hardyboard plank siding, and the landscaping has been kept up and is immaculate. There is also a large den to enjoy, so it is a very versatile property, perfect for either students or a couple or just somebody that works from home. There's tons of natural light and space. There is pets that are allowed with board approval. Look no further but at this lovely unit at 270 McConachie Way, situated in a quiet residential street. The wait is over. Thanks for joining me, Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. I just wanna be found. Give me some self-direction. Give me some time.